These are going to be the elevators at the Colorado building here in Denver, Colorado. Looks like we got some, what appear to be some mostly original old Otis elevators, with the only upgrade being done being the buttons. Very 50s looking cab. Up to 7. All right, here we go. Actually, now that I think about it, the controller may be replaced, but they still kept a lot of vintage charm with these. Rough doors. Nice hallway. B. 1. Let's look at a view of this cab. Like I said, very antiquated cab. Complete with tray lighting. There are your fixtures, GAL JetPlus. And there's your original 50s indicator. Really rough doors. With a Cedo. GAL interlock. Back up to 7. Turn 7. One. Pull on there. Push the button go out. Turn 1. Yeah, the motors are definitely original. Here we are. And there it goes. And that will be it.